Hey everybody, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services, and I just wanted to give you a little information about our Black Friday specials that began on the 14th and ends on the 28th of this year. So, hopefully you will have a very safe and happy Thanksgiving and start your 2026 off a little more productive, a little more technical. And so, what we are offering from now until the 28th is you get 25% off any of the services in terms of our ConstructIQ apps, the Study Hub, any of the trade classes, and any of the licensing that I've been able to help my clients with. And with all of this, you get free man-hour calculators for your trade. And so, yeah, I want to give you opportunity. I think this is the first time I talked about the exam studio, is where we have 12 different programs where you can enroll. And if you are studying for any of these tests, there are a lot of study apps, study questions, 50. You can change the questions, study essays, and references, for you to go to. And so if you are currently studying for your electrical exam in Texas, California, okay, we have that here, and Florida. Okay, HVAC, trade in the mechanical code. Are you studying for your plumbing journeyman license? Do you want to take the NASCLA exam, which I would recommend because you take that one time and you're good in many states instead of reciprocity and all of the stuff that goes with that. Okay. Demolition supervisor, yes, all of these are things that you can study for. Okay. Are you looking to get more knowledge in refrigeration? Are you taking your Georgia utility contractor exam? Okay. A couple of my student clients are doing that right now. Do you need Title 24 training? That's also included in our electrical. So NEC and Title 24 is also included in all of these. So for Black Friday, you get 25% off these. Just let me know which one you want. You can email me at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com. That's one thing. Another thing is that was our study hub. And so use the code Queen BF Black Friday 25. Just give that to me, email that to me, make sure I have it. And two, our Construct IQ uh, classes and offerings are also 25% off. So for the full year, $499 minus 25%. And then these are the monthly plans. And I'm going to start doing a whole lot better on advertising. But, we have some basics, estimating access, and then project management access. And these are monthly. And two, for Black Friday, you get all of this off your first 3 months, 25% off. And then the rest is the regular price. Okay. And two, if you want to look at any of the classes that we provide, then you'll just go to our educational services. And these are all the different classes we provide. And we can give you some more information about that too. So, Black Friday is good until the 28th of November. And yeah, reach out to me at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com.